Very good morning, dear students. Welcome to these digital classes. Dear students, as we have finished our total 5 units in this plus 2 class syllabus, so I'm getting side by side your response through the conference call also, or through the your feedback form also. That is the some topics that you are facing problem during this digital classes system. So today I'm going to resolve these topics, and daily I'm trying to make one video related to your doubt clearing. So this is your doubt clearing class of unit 5. Although one numerical that is related to colligative property doubt has asked by Miss Minakshi Mahato's group. So dear students, I am going to take this doubt journal for everyone. So maybe the doubt of one group can help the to understand for other also. So the doubt was that numerical related to colligative property. The question she asked, that is 18 gram of glucose, C6H12O6 is the formula of glucose, is dissolved in 1 kilogram of water in a saucepan. Okay, so at what temperature will water boil? At 1.013 bar. Whereas some of the hint has given Kb for water, mean Kb is evoloscopic constant for water is 0.52 Kelvin kilogram mole inverse, and water boil at 373.15 Kelvin, which is called 100 degrees Celsius. You know very well 100 degrees Celsius need to be converted, we need to add it with 273 and it become approximately 273 Kelvin, and at 1.013 bar pressure, which is already given. So as already I told dear students about the steps, 5 steps to solve numericals. General 5 steps are: first step is read language, then from language we will find given, whatever is given, then from given we will make formula, then formula we will put formula and calculate, and then last we will write answer in a bracket. Okay, so these are the first. So first let's start language. Language is given what? 18 gram of glucose. It means that 18 gram of glucose. Now we are going to solve again. So 18 gram of glucose mean it is the mass of solute WB, which is given 18 gram. Okay, second is what? Is dissolved in 1 kilogram of water. So 1 kilogram water is what? It is WA. 1 kilogram of water is WA. 1 kilogram need to be calculated into 1000 gram. So if you write it in 1000 gram, there is we can write it. Then after this it is written here in a saucepan, and at what temperature will water boil? At 1.013. This is 013 bar. It is somewhere the pressure 10. Then after this given water boil 373. 373 is what? It is the boiling point of water. Next, what is given here? It is given the KB, value of KB. So we get KB is equal to 0.52 Kelvin kilogram mole inverse. Now if we need to find out MB, that is the mass of glucose. So formula is C6H12O6. When you calculate 6 multiplied by 12 plus 1 multiplied by 12 plus 6 multiplied by 16. So it will come somewhere 180 gram mole inverse is the MB mass of, I can say, glucose. So now this was the first step. From language we have written given. Now third step we will write, that is formula. So if we will see what formula is there. So if we will see the formula, so I think this is you need to relate from where it is, from colligative property, and from KB we can get the formula. It is related to elevation in boiling point, that is delta TB. KB is equal to WB upon MB multiplied by 1 upon WA in kilogram, it is given. Okay, so we will next fourth step is calculate. Now we will calculate mathematically, here you need to be very much expert about on the math. So kb is 0.52 Kelvin kilogram mole inverse into wv is 18 gram upon mb, which is 180 gram mole inverse, and multiply by 1 upon wa is 1 kilogram. Okay, now mole inverse will cancel with mole inverse, kilogram will cancel with kilogram. What will left then? Delta TB is equal to 0.52 Kelvin into 18 gram. Whether gram will also cancel with gram, so here is nothing, sorry, into 1 upon 180. And when mathematically you will calculate it, you will get 0.052. How? See, 18 will cancel with 18, it will come 10, so 10 will go here, 0.052 Kelvin only. Okay, so this is the elevation in boiling point. Whereas we know when we are going to calculate TV, it will be TV naught plus delta TB is equal to, it means that 373. The temperature, you know very well, the boiling point of water is 373. So it will be 373.15 plus 0.052 Kelvin. Okay, and the value will come 373.202 Kelvin. This is the answer. So this is the question that asked, that is, calculate at what temperature will water boil at this pressure. So at this pressure, water boil at water boil at 1.013 bar at this temperature, 373.2.3. So water boil at this temperature. So this is the answer. Hope so you understood and you got the answer.